Good morning, children. Today we are starting new lesson. So we are all living things. So human beings and plants, animals, all are living things. So we are not living forever. After some days we can die. Animals also die. Human beings we are also die. And the plants also some days after completing their lifespan they also died. So here our lesson animals how life they are gone goes on. Okay, animals how life goes on. Okay, which lesson? Third lesson. Animals how life goes on. Okay, this is our lesson. How life goes on. Animals. Okay, all animals not living forever. All animals. So some animals die after they completing their lifespan. So like that only. But in our world we are also have. So human beings also after after completing their lifespan they can die. So when we are dying means our children also have. So first generation, second generation, third generation, like that our children only have no. So we all are reproducing. We are give birth to young ones. So we all are give birth to young ones. So like that our life goes on. So same like that only animals life also same like that only on. So here animals they can reproduce two types. Some animals lays eggs and some animals give birth to their young ones. Same like that only. But human beings only gives birth to their young ones. So like that our life goes on. So 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, 400 years, long ago, like that going our life. But when we are dying after our children only have their children, like that life goes on. Same animals also same like that only have. So after completing their lifespan, the animals also give birth to young ones. Some animals gives birth to their young ones and some animals lays eggs. They lays eggs after they hatch the eggs and come out and they become a small babies. So like that only the life goes on in animals. Okay, so some animals here I am giving example. Okay, some animals lays eggs, frogs. Some animals lays eggs. So like hens. Okay, frogs and snakes. So some animals give birth to young ones. Example here example cats, dogs. Okay, next cats, dogs, rats, like that human beings also. So when we are observing small kittens, when we are observing the small kittens means in these small kittens their mothers only take care about their children. They only nourish, they can feed their milk to their babies. Okay, so they can feed their milk to their babies and they nourish their children. So like that only, like kittens have means cat only take care about their children and puppies have means dogs only take care about their children. So rats like that only have. So next some we know bat is a mammal. It's flying in the sky like bird, bat. Bat is a mammal, but it is a flying on the sky like a bird. It is a mammal. It give birth to their babies. Okay. So here kitties, hog-nosed bat. It is the very smallest living mammal. Kitty is a hog-nosed bat is the very smallest living mammal. So this bat give birth to their baby. The baby height only 1 inch only have. Long. How long means 1 inch. Only 1 inch. Only 1 inch only have. So this baby body 1 inch long only have. 1 inch long baby. So next 2 grams only have weight. 2 grams weight. So 2 grams only have the weight. So here two kitties hog-nosed bat 1 inch only long their body and 2 grams only have the weight. Okay. So some animals give birth to their young ones. These animals are called mammals. So human beings are the most developed mammals. All animals have no. So human beings are the most developed animal or mammal. So these human beings, they can give birth and they can feed their milk to their babies. So these human beings only they can see their children and grandchildren too. So another animals only they can see their children only. So only human beings only they can see their children and grandchildren also. So we are only living so many years. So we can see our children and grandchildren also. So some whales and dolphins also have. These whales and dolphins looks like a fish, but they are also mammals. So actually what is the reproduction? Reproduction means we all are gives birth to our own kind. So the process of which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. What is the reproduction? The process of which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. So in this reproduction process only they can give birth to their young ones. So here in these mammals have hairs on their bodies. All mammals have hair their bodies, like rabbits, okay, goats, rabbits, dogs, cats, like all mammals have. We are also have the hair on our bodies. So we are also human beings. So mammals. So all mammals have on their bodies have hair. But here dolphins and whales. Here dolphins and whales. These bodies no hair on their bodies, but they are mammals. They can give birth to their babies, but they are looking like fish. So sometimes like that only have. They are living in water only, but they are mammals. Bat is also looking like a bird. They can fly in the bird. Bat, but this is also mammal. They give birth to their babies. And snakes, hens, frogs, they can lay eggs. So these heads hatch these eggs after the baby ones come outside. This broke up that egg, hatch the egg after the babies come out of this egg, from this egg. So the small ones, their mother only look after these babies. After some days they become grow. So like that only have. These, especially these mammals, only care of the young. Mammals only, they will take care about their children. So in our house also, when we are observing in the human beings also, only mothers only take care about mothers only take care about their children. But in the animals also same like that only have. Sometimes father also take care about their children. Okay, mother feed their milk. So who are the mammals means the give birth to their babies, the animals which give birth to their babies, and they can feed their own milk to their children. They can feed their own milk to their children are called mammals. Okay children, who are the mammals means they can give birth to their babies and they can feed their milk to their babies are called mammals. So only mother only take care about their mammals. When we are observing in some pets like cats. So cat, when we are observing that in my house one cat have, the cat give birth to 4 kittens in my home only. So that 4 kittens different colors also have. One kitten white color, one brown, 2 black. So these 4 kittens in my home, I really observed the cat. I was surprised. Why? Because the mother only take care about their kittens. They can like that only they can catch in its mouth. They can take one place to another place. They can hide it and they can clean the small kitten body like this. Like that only they can clean the total body of the kitten and they can give milk to their babies and they can take care about that kitten and they can after some days they can give training to how to hunt the mouse. I really saw that. I was surprised that mother only give to that baby kittens, that kittens training. They are jumping, they are speedily running, they can catching, jumping, like that only. I really surprised. So like that only the mother cat only give to that small kittens training how to catch the food, how to get the food, how to they can live their own. So after growing they can live their own. So mother only trains the children and that kitten or not only cat, all different types of all animals like dogs, all animals also mothers mothers only give training and take care about their children. So sometimes fathers also father. So like fathers also, some animals like fathers also hunting. They can hunt the food and guards the small ones. They can hunt the food and give to their children, their kitten or their babies and guards their babies. Like that only have. So the most developed mammals are human beings. Why? Because we can see our children and grandchildren also. So like that only having these animals, how life goes on in our lesson. 2 subtopics over. Okay. All animals not give birth to their young ones. Some animals only gives birth to their young ones. Some lays eggs and care about young ones. So mothers only take care about their young ones. Sometimes fathers also look after their children. Okay, understand the lesson, no? Okay. Homework. So in your pets have in your house means better to observe how that mother take care about their kittens or their children. Okay. Homework. Read third lesson. Bird mother have means they can give warmth to their babies. They can hug in their wings. Mother bird have means they can hug in their wings. They can hide in their wings. Sometimes enemies came means mother only attack these enemies and they can protect their babies from these enemies. When we are observing in this trees, on the trees nest have means In the nest, some birds living, no, some birds have means when we are observing means the wings have no, they can hide in their children with their wings. They can give warmth to their children, and enemies attacking means they can protect their babies like that. So mothers only take care about their children. In some animals, fathers also look after their children. Tomorrow we will continue that topic. Okay. Thank you, children.